Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So today we will see one of the trigger scenario which usually asked in interviews, like write a trigger when all child record status is completed, then make parent record status as completed. So for example, we have one parent and in that we have one field called status, and we have one child, and for that in that also we have one field called status. So and they both are related with lookup relationship. And if associated child's status is completed, then make parent status as completed automatically or by trigger. So here, if you can see, this child 1 status is completed, child 2, 3, 4 all are completed, then the parent status field is getting completed. Okay. So for that, just to show you, I have created two objects. One is parent. If you can see, this is parent I have created, and the other one is child. So in that, I have created one field called status, and it is related or look up with the parent. So we'll just see the code now, how we can achieve that. So if you see the code, yeah, so this is the code. Okay, so the code says like, so first I have done a for loop. Through for loop, what I did, the on which record the update or the insert is going on, that record ID, that parent record ID of that, I have just saved into this set. After that, what I did, I have created one list. In that list, I have just queried the parent record along with that child records, where the ID in this set, what we got it. So then what I did, I then just created one map. And why I created this map is to store the number or the count of the child records for that particular parent. So I have done the for loop for on this list, and then I have just taken a ID of the parent along with that count of the child records for each parent. So that I have stored into this map. And then after that, again I have done one more for loop. So that I have done it on the new or one more list which I have created. In this list, I have queried like ID and name from the parent, and also inner query for on the child where status is completed. So basically I wanted to compare the count of childs over here and count of childs whose status is completed for the same record or the parent record. So that is why I have just made two queries. And then I went down, then I have created one more for loop. In that for loop, I'm just iterating over this list, and I'm checking whether for this particular parent ID, what is the count stored into this map, and whatever current count for this record, child count for this record, which we are getting from here. So whether if the status is completed, that means the child records present may be 4 and all of them status has completed, then this count also will be 4. So if both counts are matching, then go ahead and update that parent status field as completed. Otherwise, don't make it. So this is what, and then we are updating this list. Whatever we are updating into this list, I'm just updating this list into the system again. So it will update the status field as completed. Yeah. So this is all about code. So let's activate this trigger and then check it into the org. So, so I'll just, this is the child object. On child object, we have written the trigger. On this is the trigger, and current status is active. Yes, so current status is active. So let's go and create a parent record. So I'm just wanted to create a parent record. I'm just creating parent record with some status as open. Yes, and in that I'm creating a child records. So I'm just creating some three child records with some different status. One is in progress. The other one I'll create. it maybe closed one, and one more I will create it for a new, we can say. So there are statuses are different, so it will not affect anything on parent, and then parent status is same as it is. So now I will go and make all the child records status as completed. So I'll go here. So for before that, we will just check the parent status record. Parent status is now open. Okay, so I'll just go to child records. One by one, I will make the child record status as completed. So here we can see one is completed now. The child one child record is completed, and other two are not completed. Then if I go to parent and if I check for the parent, status is still not made as completed. Okay, I'll just went to child. Yeah. So then this one I'll just edit it here. Make is completed. So two are completed. The one more is there. So I'll just make, as soon as I'll make this as completed, automatically parent field also will get updated with completed. Okay, yeah, if you can see, these three are completed. Now I'm just going to parent and I'm just opening the parent, and if we see, yeah, parent status field is getting made as completed. Yeah. Yeah, so thank you for watching the video.